Welcome to RVO. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you 5 3D printed gadgets for the garden. Number 1, very simple little guy. It's a clip. So you either clip it around somewhere, have some string tied to it and have a branch pulled up, or you can go ahead and clip it to another branch. It's a good way to keep your plants in order. Very cheap, very easy to print, very fast to print, and you can print a lot of them. And they work very well. Number 2. Here we have a tool hanger. So if you have any tools that have loops or some lanyards hanging off it, you can go ahead and hang it with this. Or if you want to put 2 across, you can just use it to hang a shovel, something like that. Number 3, here we have a label. You can go ahead and stick it in your flower bed or your seed bed, and you can go ahead and label it, put a piece of tape on it, or just write on it with Sharpie. Or even a label printer would be awesome. Very simple, very easy. Works the same, plus you have a very large printing space. Number 4, we have a garden gnome. This actually came out really nice. I will be linking all the print designs down below. Well, I like this guy. I kind of actually want to get him painted up and put him outside or put him on my shelf. Finally, but not least, here we have our hose holder. So you can go ahead and has a couple ports for screws, screw it in, and it'll hold your hose. Very strong, except for the part where my printer messed up again. I don't know why it keeps doing this when it does the overhangs, but it's not liking the overhangs. Here, it's just very strong, again, except for that part, but also the multicolor makes it look cool. This did take quite a bit of time to print, but it did come out very nicely. And that is all the prints, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you have any suggestions for other gadget style videos or categories, let me know. I always like hearing back from you guys. And again, everything's going to be down in the description if you want to go ahead and download it, try it out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.